Hey everyone, welcome back to the Balanced Bite. Today I'm sharing a simple and delicious meal prep breakfast. My protein bowl with veggie-packed egg muffins, roasted tomatoes, roasted potatoes, and creamy avocado. This balanced meal comes in at 427 calories and 14 grams of protein, making a great balanced protein-packed meal. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm quickly sauteing some bell peppers and onions with a little oil and salt and pepper. I'm doing this to bring out their sweetness, and I'm going to add them to our egg muffins. Let's get our eggs together. We're going to add 10 eggs to a bowl. Next, take a whisk and get your eggs all nice and combined. Next, add your salt, pepper, garlic powder, and I'll go ahead and list in the description of this video my blog post, which has all the ingredients, the instructions, and the macros. Then add a 1/4 cup of milk, and that's to make your eggs fluffy. I like fluffy eggs. What do you guys have in the morning? Do you like hard-boiled, over easy? I always have scrambled or an omelet or these egg muffins. That's what I like. I wish I liked hard-boiled, but I really don't. Maybe one day I will. Okay, next we're going to put in the peppers we sauteed earlier today. Go ahead and get those in there and combined nicely with the whisk. And then you can use the crumbled turkey bacon in there as well. I fried that up on the stove and it's 4 pieces. Then add the cheese. It's a 1/4 cup of pepper jack and a 1/4 cup of mozzarella. Now let's go ahead and pour the batter into these silicone muffin tins. These are really great. I love these. You don't even need to put oil or anything into them, and they come out great every time. So if you'd like, I can go ahead and link the description and link the link for these in the description of this video. And this does make 12 muffins. Okay, here we go. There they are. And then we're gonna go ahead and preheat our oven to 375. Now I have a pan in here and I have some hot water. And I'm gonna pour the hot water onto the rimmed baking sheet. What this does, it provides a bath for the egg. And that steams them so that they are really nice and they don't burn. And we're going to bake them for 28 minutes, 28 to 38 minutes. And then while those are baking, we can prepare our tomatoes and our potatoes for the next part. I'll link a recipe here for the tomatoes. I have one that I use all the time, and I'll go ahead and link that card. And then I'm going to take my potato, and I have a new gadget that cuts them evenly. It's like a mandolin accessory. And here we go. And this is how they turned out. They're really good. Okay, now we can start to put together our breakfast bowls with the eggs, tomatoes, little ramekins of avocado, turkey bacon, and obviously the egg muffins. Okay, now we can pack them up and get them ready for the rest of the week. I hope you enjoyed this easy and nutritious meal prep breakfast. If you give this protein bowl a try, let me know in the comments how you liked it. Or let me know what you like to eat for breakfast. I'll make that for you next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more meal prep ideas, healthy sides, and that occasional indulgence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.